So this is my review of the Sovol SV06 Plus 3D printer. So this is directly from their SD card. It is very good quality, very pretty. Came out very well. Minimal stringing. I did record it with a time-lapse camera. So it came out very well. Good layer adhesion, nice brim. The boss is coming in. There's my cat. Leave it up to her. Anyways, so this is a Benchy, which this is the best Benchy I have ever had on any of my 3D printers. And just trying to say that, I'm not saying it's the best printer I've ever had. It's the best printing printer I've ever had. So this is a Benchy off of this printer. This is the best Benchy I've gotten off of any of my printers. I've had several. Now there is a layer shift, but I'm discounting that for the rest of the look. It could have also been due to how I was printing this. I was using a camera rig that does time lapse. That's where this little clip comes in. And it may have caused a layer shift on that one layer just due to some weird thing like the cable in the back hitting the wall or something wrong. So probably have to move my printer up a little bit just to compensate for that. Then I decided to do something I've never done before. TPU. Now it's got a couple issues, which is not bad. It's kind of accented because of the way there's little squigglies on the inside. But yeah, there's just this little bit here on the nose and a little bit of stringing on the inside, but not a lot, not a lot. So for my first time with TPU, which I've been told, or heard is a very hard material to work with, I'm impressed. We've still got the stair stepping. This came out perfect. Pretty much everything except for this little bit here and a little bit of stringing, it came out great. So I'm impressed with the Sovol SV06. Now that's back on, which is really nice because other systems I have, I'm not talking about this one, but yeah, that one over there, it's kind of crazy. Another feature I really like is these two notches here. The bed lines up and boom, it's aligned, it's on, it's ready to go.
Well, this is very frustrating enough, but I really haven't had this printer for long. I'd say maybe I had it for like maybe 2 or 3 months, and already this is the second time that it has been basically destroyed. I'd say it has to be something to do with the leveling, because the first time the filament got all over this piece for my first one, so I had to get it another one, and this is the second one. And now when I came back to let it print, it got stuck right here. So I think it has something to do with bed leveling, I'm not sure. And then it snapped off this piece, so I don't even know if I can put this back on. But if you guys ever want this printer, it's really good. Just you have to be very patient with it, because just the bed leveling. I get it, things are not perfect, but if anyone has some idea how to help me fix this, put this piece back on, and that would be really great.
This is what happens when I try and home the Z-axis. Must home X and Y first. Okay. Doesn't matter what I do. Constantly trying to lower this one more than this one. And it won't stop on its own. It just drives the extruder. Well, it's not touching the bed, but this motor has no limit, and it'll just do this until I shut it off. What the hell is going on?
And that is with the eccentric nut tightened as far as it goes. I can make it a lot looser than this, but I can't make it any tighter than this. Hopefully this shows where it's wobbling. I thought it was kind of, I know there was multiple places where it could wobble, so I don't know, just the whole thing's loose. I don't know how else to explain it.
This is something I never do with the printers that I have, and I have Ultimakers, I have some high quality printers. Because of the way the bed leveling works on this printer and the direct drive, I'm able to do something that I've not been able to do with this printer, and I accidentally forgot to add support material, and as you can see, everything looks great even without support material. I'm very impressed with this printer. I'm buying another one.